Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Copper Productions. In last week's video I unveiled the E36 to you guys that I bought. In this week's video I'm going to be taking the diff out, taking it down, getting it welded and getting the car ready to do some skids. So let's waste no time, jump right into it. That was fucking terrifying, but it's up there now. That doesn't look good, eh? I mean, this is biting now. Alright. Jesus. Maybe it's a good thing I'm doing the diff. Anyway, okay, so basically what I have to do to get the diff out, I'll have to undo this up here, push this up, cable tie it up, so that I can get to this bolt in there, and that one up there. Then it'll be that one there. Obviously all these ones, can't think of pointing to them, oh Jesus. All these ones, all of these, most of these because it looks like the majority of them are, most of these because some of them look like they're already undone. And then diff will come back and drop down. So yeah, I don't really know how I'm going to set the camera up so I can film this, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go through, undo a section at a time, and then just update you guys as it goes through, because I'm not going to be able to actually set the camera up and film the progress as I make the progress. So first thing I'm going to be doing, loosening that bolt there, and that one up there, pushing this up and cable tying it up. That's one done. And that's two done. Now we have to push this thing up, something like that. Stay there by itself for a second, so we can get access to that bolt there and the one on the other side. Yeah, not going anywhere, so I can undo them without that falling back down on me. Especially when you undo this, it's resting on that there, which tends to pull that down if you don't have a cable tied up. So if you're doing the same job, definitely cable tie it up. It makes it 10 times easier. Now I'm going to undo the axles on both sides. It's a bit of a pain in the ass because I have to jack up one side at a time so the wheel can spin, so that I can get to the bolts on the top of this. So it'll be a bit tedious, but that's what I have to do. So she's jacked up on one side now, which means that I can get to all the bolts on this side, and then I'll have to do the same for the other side. So I'll jump in, undo these, and then yeah. So this one's fully undone now, so it should come out. Beautiful, and it can just rest on that because that's cable tied. There, it's not gonna move. So that's good. Now I just go do the other side, and up there, and the main diff bolts. Ugh. So she's jacked up now, and I couldn't help but realise how absolutely munted these tyres are on the inside. The camber this car is running at the moment is currently ridiculous. So I'm going to have to tamper with these things and maybe get a bit more height out of it so I'm not scraping on everything as well, because I do scrape on absolutely every fucking leaf I drive past. But yeah, I'll tamper with these maybe in a later video and try and get it up a bit higher, and obviously I'm going to have to get some new tyres because and that's not safe. Yeah, good fun. Anyway, on to these. We can get this one off. Alright, so that's the second one out now, and resting the sway bar again. Now I'm just going to go up and do these ones. That's all the bolts off all the drive, off the drive shaft and the axles done. All I have to do now is undo that bolt, the other 2 bolts holding the diff in, and then drop it out. So yeah, I have no idea how good the angle is going to be from there, but we're going to send it. Oh my god, fucking sure. Well, it's out. Alrighty, so it's out. I'm going to crack the top on it, gurney it out, make it all clean and pretty. I'm not going to weld it myself because in previous videos we've seen how good my welds are, and this kind of needs to last a little bit longer than a week. So I'm going to take it to get professionally welded. The only downside is I don't have time to get it welded today because it's already 5 o'clock, all the welders will be shut. But I've arranged to take it down to a place tomorrow. I've already called them up, it's already booked in, so tomorrow 8 AM, get up, take this down, get it welded, bring it back, throw it back together. But yeah, in the meantime, crack them off. Yep, there she is. It's obvious that these ones are going to be welded up. Put a little bit of a plate in there. Weld in the corners, and then put the plate on, weld on top, spin her all around, and do the same on this side.